Welcome to the Mustang YouTube channel. We would like to share some footage from 2 fun events held for our students this month, starting with our Special Olympics field trip to the Bolero Lakeside Bowling Alley.
Good job, Jason. Looky there.
We all had a really great time bowling. We thank you, Bolero Lakeside, for hosting. Our second set of video footage comes from our Haunted Halls Halloween celebration.
On the right side. He goes in there. You went around already?
Hi. Can you say hi? Hi. Okay, what's your baby?
Boots on the ground. Boots on the ground. Boots on the ground.
These are great times which make great memories. We would like to extend our gratitude and thanks to the following groups who supported Gateway Michael and made our haunted halls possible. At Home Care, Corinthians chapter 9 of the Eastern Star, Crisis Aid, Enterprise Medical Alliance, Harris-Stowe Students and Athletic Department, the UMSL African American Alumni Association. Thank you all so very much. We could not have done this without you.